Hi dear friends, I am Akshat Singh, and in this video I am going to discuss about the Tesla. So you know that Tesla recently launched in the India, and this is a very great thing. And Tesla is all about the electric cars, and Tesla cars are the very safest car, and this is why I will tell you about this. So, first, it is important to know about that the first showroom of the Tesla opened in the Bangalore, and its first factory is open in the Gujarat. The owner of the Tesla, Elon Musk, is recently become the world's richest person. So he also started the Tesla, launched the Tesla in India, because he think that in India, from India he can earn some money, he can make a profit by launching the Tesla in this country. And but it is very difficult because you know that the peoples are still drive the CNG cars and petrol diesel cars, so it will be take a lot of time for electrical cars to come on the roads, to run on the roads, because people generally prefer the petrol and CNG cars. And this is not the only thing that the Tesla doesn't work in, but there's so many other regions also. Like you can think about the prices of the Tesla cars; they are the so high, so and common people can't able to buy the Tesla cars. But still, so many people can buy, and who have so much money. The starting price for the Tesla cars is almost rupees. First of all, before telling this all about, I want to tell you about that the why it is the safest car. So you know that the Tesla is an electric car, and the electric and the basically the battery which is used in the Tesla cars is made by the combination of the many so many small batteries, durable batteries that you use in your TVs and TV remotes and your clocks. So basically made up of the combination of all these cells. In this picture you can see the perfectly that how it is made, and in this picture you can see the structure of the Tesla cars. And the battery of the Tesla car is the bottom of its body, so that's why its all weight is in the bottom of the car. So that's why when a truck hits a Tesla car, it not going to fly or roll or anything can't be happen with this car, because it this car will stay stable because of their weight, so much weight in their lower body. So that's a great thing that why Tesla is the safest car. And these cars, especially the electrical cars, can easily take the 5 stars review from the all the testing companies. And so it is very easy for them, and especially in the petrol and the diesel cars, they can't able to take the even 5 stars. They generally, there is a very difficult for taking them a 5 star review. So but these electrical cars easily take the 5 star reviews with any company, any car testing company. So Tesla also get the 5 star review, 6 stars review from the company and other people's. And if I talk about the all price of the Tesla cars, so there's almost four cars, not four but three cars, and there's a Tesla Cybertruck which is going to launch in the India. And the lowest price of the one, there is only one model which have the lowest price of rupees 50 lakh, that is the Tesla Cybertruck. So you know that Tesla Cybertruck, this you can see the, if you can see the structure of the Tesla Cybertruck, you can think that it is a very odd truck, because it truck basically didn't have any curve. This truck is made with the cones, and you can see that in the picture. Like you can imagine that there is so many blocks which is put on the one plain blocks, and the tires adjust to that. But after all, this truck is very strong, and this truck has so much space in his back behind. And Alan Mock also represented and tested this Cybertruck on the one concert show, but there is some embarrassment movement for him when the Tesla Cybertruck mirror get broken by the hitting the hammer on it. So you know that the everyone does mistake, and the people learn from their mistakes. So Elon Musk also learn from their mistake, and he upgraded the Cybertruck. And this Cybertruck is going to launch in the India soon, almost in the end of the 2021, November 2021 and 2021. And the price of the Tesla Cybertruck is 50 lakh. So the other three cars of the Tesla are the first, the Tesla Model 3, which the price of this car is almost the 60 lakh rupees, and the other car, the Tesla Model S, and the price of this car is 1.50 crores, and the third model of the Tesla car is the Tesla Model X, and the price of this car is 2 crore. So you can see that high rated cars and high priced cars, so common people can't able to buy this car, but this car is the safest car. And if we can compare the roads of the India, particularly compare with the foreign roads, so there's a lots of difference, and there's so many reasons that the why the Tesla is might work in the India, but there's a possibility that it not be going to much work in the India. And the results of this you can see in the coming 2 to 4 years. The things get very clear that it is going to be going to run on the roads or not. And the most and the favorite features of the Tesla cars is their auto mode drive, and it is very wonderful technique which is used in this car. And that's why that's one of the this big reason they make these all cars special, their auto mode drive. So that's all about my today's speech. Hope you like it, hope you like my video. Thank you.